Namaste. Menstrual health is of the utmost importance in a woman's life. Even the slightest hormonal imbalance can cause menstrual problems like delayed and painful periods. Irregular periods can be caused due to stress, lack of physical activity, improper sleep, and irregular eating habits. Yoga asanas help tremendously in balancing the hormones and relieving the symptoms related with it.
These 9 yoga asanas are the most important ones in treating irregular periods when done religiously. Parsvottanasana. While standing, take the right foot forward at 3 to 4 feet distance. The heel of the back foot is turned at 45 degrees on inhaling. Raise the arms up and on exhaling, bend forward from the waist. You can keep your hands on the shin or on the mat, whichever is comfortable. Hold the pose for 10 counts and come up while inhaling. Repeat the same steps with the left leg in front now. Make sure while bending forward, the neck is not rounded. The back and neck should remain in one line. Bhaddha Konasana. Sit with your legs forward. Now bend the knees and bring the soles of your feet together. The heels should be at a gap from the groins. Keep both the hands below the feet and start flapping the knees, making sure the knees touch the mat each time. Continue this 20 times. Now stop the flapping and take a deep inhale. On exhaling, bend forward from the waist, making sure the belly goes down first. Avoid bending of the neck. Hold the pose for 10 counts and come up while inhaling. Adho Mukh Veerasana. Sit in Vajrasana, that is on your heels with the knees bent. In this pose, the knees can be kept together or separate at a distance. But in either case, the big toes of both the feet touch each other. On inhaling, raise your arms. On exhaling, bend forward from the waist and extend your arms in front. Keep stretching the arms forward and place your forehead on the mat. Stay for 10 counts and come out of the pose while inhaling. Paschimottanasana. Sit with the legs stretched in front, keeping the back straight. On inhaling, lift both the arms up with palms facing forward. On exhaling, bend forward from the waist. Place the hands on the toes or the shin, whichever is comfortable. Keep the spine in line with the neck and avoid bending of the neck. Hold for 10 counts. With each exhale, try to bend a little more downwards. Come up while inhaling. Ustrasana. Sit in a kneeling position with knees, pelvis, shoulders and head in one straight line. Take your hands behind and place them on the heels. Push the chest upwards and pelvis forward. Tilt the head back and hold the pose for 10 counts. Slowly come back in the same position. Matsyasana. Sit with the legs stretched in front and back straight. On inhaling, take the elbows behind and with their support, place the top of the head on the mat. Automatically, the chest is lifted up and back is arched. Hold the pose for 10 counts and very slowly come back in sitting position with the support of elbows. Bhujangasana. Lie down on the belly with forehead placed on the mat. Bring your palms below the shoulders. Keeping the elbows inwards, on inhaling, lift up your chest. Look straight or upwards. Hold for 10 counts and come down while exhaling. Adho Svanasana. Sit in a kneeling position and place your hands below your shoulders and knees below the hip joint. On exhaling, lift the pelvis upwards, simultaneously straightening the legs. Start pushing the chest towards the knees and hold the pose for 10 counts. Halasana. This is an inversion asana and will need a little practice. Lie down on the back and keep the knees bent. With support of the hands, lift your lower body from the hips. Slowly take the legs behind your head. Stay in the pose for 10 counts and slowly come back by bending the knees to avoid any fall.